Here we go. This one is going to be entirely about extruding, which can be found underneath the Construct tab. When we go to extrude something, this is the final step to make something into three-dimensional, as we covered in an earlier video. To start, I need something that's two-dimensional. So, perfect way to start is a rectangle. To get extrude, highlight over to Construct. First option is extrude, and it asks you what do you want to extrude. So I'm going to select my 2D object. Once I click on the rectangle, this white arrow is going to pop up, and I'm going to drag it up. Before I click enter or click OK to lock this in, I notice that I have another tool up here. This circle allows us to move our object and give it a little wiggle. So I can either make it extend the top or reduce the angle even down to a pyramid. I'm going to leave it fairly general to start. On 123D Design, it's very easy to draw on any flat side. So I got flat sides here, 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 on the bottom, the back, the right side, and I'm just going to choose one of them. I'm going to grab circle this time. And I'm going to select this angled side here. And I'm just going to simply draw one big circle. Press enter to lock it in. Now I'm going to extrude it again. Once again, I have a 2D object. I want to make it 3D. One thing you can do is you can extend this out, or another trick you can do with extrude is go the opposite direction, and you'll notice that it turns red. What's happening here is that rather than merge, we're subtracting. So when it subtracts, it's going to cut a hole, as we can see here. We're going to go one step further. Let's get a circle going on here. When I go to extrude this, same system. Drag the arrow up, press enter. It is very difficult to draw on a curved edge on 123D Design, but again, we got a flat one here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a simple rectangle on here. Now I'm going to extrude that. And when I do, I'm going to extrude it up, but rather than have it merge, I'm simply just going to do a new solid. So when I click that, they're not connected, but rather I can move one object and have the other one still there just floating. And that is extrude.